unlocks the future.
Alright guys, today we are going to unbox the Secrid wallet. And this wallet is manufactured in Netherlands, which is made in Holland. And this is as you can see here, it's a mini wallet, and this color is of vintage brown, and you have 20 more colors in this wallet. And now let's open the box and see what's inside the box. Let's keep the wallet aside, and you have there's a manual here. As you open it, you can see here it has a card protector which can carry up to 4 to 6 cards, and that metal case, aluminum case inside the wallet is Rfid safe to protect your cards. And if you open it further, you can see here this wallet is made in Holland, which is in the Netherlands. And as you can see in the images, this wallet is completely leather with handmade. A better world starts in your pocket. And if you close this manual and turn it backside, you can find the warranty card. You have a unique code on your wallet. You go online and put the unique code and get registered for 3 years warranty from secrid.com. And now we have the wallet itself. Now let's take a look at the wallet completely. And this is a vintage brown mini wallet of Secrid. It has a good smooth texture of the leather. It's a genuine leather wallet. It's a vintage brown color wallet. The main activity of this aluminum case is like you can put the cards inside, like you can see here. It can hold up to 6 plain cards and 4 embossed cards. And you have a button here. Open it, you get the cards outside. You can see here 6 plain cards, and you can also fit 4 embossed cards over here like this. You go. And this aluminum case is also RFID protector, which protects your contactless credit or debit cards. And one more interesting thing about this aluminum case is when you open this cards like this, even if you put a single or 2 cards in this, it doesn't fall, as you can see here. Even you can use it like this. Yeah. And the company, and the Secrid company from Holland, which is in Netherlands, also claims that this click button is durable up to 250,000 times like this. And now let's open the wallet. And they still say that you can fit 6 more cards in the wallet itself, like, but they fit very tightly, though. You can fit 6 more cards like this here. as you can see here. And as you can see here, there is a compartment, dedicated compartment to keep your cash, inside. Here I have some cash with me. Let's put them inside like this. Put the cash like this, fold it like this, and lock this. There you go. As you can see here, have the cash, cards inside the wallet. Overall, this is not a cheap wallet, and this is an expensive wallet with fine, good quality leather, and it's very compact in hands. It's very easy to use when you're traveling, and it's very easy to access your cards like this. You put 6 cards like this. You get like that. Pretty easy to use while you're paying with contactless cards. Just pull the button, just tap it. It's very practical to use. And that's it for now, guys. I have the link below in the description if you want to purchase this wallet from Secrid. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.